Jeez, it's raining heavy tonight. I wonder if it'll be possible to go outside tomorrow. Probably not. The ground will be too muddy to train for tag. I still need to talk to Norman and Emma. Huh? What are you doing up this late? Everyone's asleep, including Mom. You can't sleep? Why? We've been playing tag all day. You should be exhausted. Hey, what's wrong? Don't lie. I can see you shaking. Cold, huh? That's a lame excuse. It's not even cold. Come on, let's... Huh? Are you okay? You look scared. Are you afraid of thunder? Hey, don't cry, okay? Come here. There. Better? You're still shaking. Do you want me to sing for you? I'll sing for you, as long as you don't tell anyone, okay? All right. Good night.